Here's a psychology fact you're not ready for. If your perfect study routine only lasts 2 weeks, it's not because you're lazy, distracted, or undisciplined. It's because your brain set you up to fail from the start. And once you understand why, you'll never build routines the same way again. Psychologists call this false motivation momentum. It's the reason students create beautiful schedules, wake up at 5 a.m., study for 8 hours straight, and then suddenly stop. Your grades, your habits, your confidence, all of it is influenced by this one psychological pattern. And if you don't understand it, you'll keep restarting your life every 2 weeks. Think about the last routine you tried. The first few days felt incredible. You felt focused, disciplined, like you finally figured it out. You told yourself, this time it's different. But then, one day you wake up tired. You skip 1 session. That turns into 2. And suddenly you're back where you started, feeling guilty, frustrated, and confused. But here's where it gets worse. Psychology says your brain doesn't destroy routines because they're hard. It destroys them because they threaten your identity. The moment your routine stops feeling exciting and starts feeling normal, your brain sees it as a danger. Not a physical danger, an identity danger. And this next part explains why your motivation always dies around day 10 to 14, almost like clockwork. Here's what's really happening inside your brain. At the beginning of a routine, your brain runs on novelty dopamine. New planner, new schedule, new version of you. Dopamine spikes when something is new, not when something is effective. But novelty fades fast, usually within 2 weeks. Once the routine becomes familiar, your brain says, there's no reward here anymore. So it creates boredom, resistance, procrastination. Not because you're weak, but because your brain is designed to conserve energy and avoid discomfort. Students fail routines faster than anyone else for one reason. They design routines for their best days. High energy, high motivation, 0 stress. But life doesn't work like that. Exams, sleep deprivation, emotional burnout. And when your routine demands perfection, your brain chooses escape. If this feels uncomfortably accurate, good. It means you've been blaming yourself for a psychological trap. Here's the truth most students don't want to hear. Discipline doesn't come from motivation. Motivation is emotional. Discipline is mechanical. And your brain will always choose comfort over growth, unless you force the system to make growth easier than quitting. So here's the mental shift that actually works. Stop asking, how do I stay motivated? And start asking, how do I make quitting harder than continuing? Clear steps. Do this instead. Cut your routine in half. Remove decision-making. Anchor habits to identity, not goals. Not I study 6 hours. But I'm the type of person who studies even when I don't feel like it. 1 hour a day beats 10 hours once a week. A boring routine beats an aesthetic one. Consistency beats intensity. Every single time. Most students will ignore this. They'll restart the same routine next Monday. New schedule, new motivation, same outcome. And 2 weeks later, they'll wonder why nothing ever changes. Now you know why.